Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Denver, Colorado. It's Mike here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. Today I've got a very special vehicle, possibly the ultimate box truck. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you want to stay up to date on our inventory. And if you want to get those notifications up first, go ahead and make sure that that bell icon is pressed in. And like the video if you like what you're watching. But anyways, today's truck is a 2023 Isuzu NPR-HD. It had one previous owner. It has 17,040 miles. It's been fully reconned. It's a 20-foot box truck with a liftgate and a ramp. And we'll go ahead and get started with the side mirror here, which both the passenger and the driver's side are heated mirrors. And we'll go ahead and check that out once we get to the interior later on. But here's that driver's side tire. Plenty of life left on that. Your wheelbase is going to be 177 inches, and here's a good look at your chassis here. Now what I love about this, keeps the gray hairs out of your head. Those catalytic converters have been getting stolen left and right, so that's definitely a huge thing right there. But moving on to the rear tires over here. Got plenty of life left on those for you. A good look back here as well. You do have a backup camera up there, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate once we get into the interior. But here's your Palfinger single piston 25,000 pound capacity liftgate. Now you do have a lock over here that you just need to undo, just as a safety measure. There we go. There it is coming down. We'll go ahead and get it down here. Again, this is a 2,500 pound capacity liftgate. And checking out the inside of the box, you do have two sets of two E-tracks, and then your dome lights up there. You do have a aluminum roof as well, so that's there for you. Definitely a lot of potential. It's always nice seeing what customers do with these trucks, or end up what trade they end up using it for. But let's go ahead and check out the rest of the truck, the passenger side here. This truck's GVWR is going to be 14,500 pounds. Here are those tires. We'll get you a good look underneath here as well. Right on. Here's the front tire. Nice look right here. The interior is in excellent condition. I'm personally loving these check patterned seats over here. Let's go ahead and hop inside, get you a nice overview look at the dashboard here. No rips or tears on these seats. You got overhead space up there, and then sun visors, of course. Let's go ahead and start her up, and we'll go through the features that you got. Right on. So no lights on the dash. Is your 17,041 miles now. That's your radio, so I'm gonna go ahead and mute it here. But you've got an Alpine touchscreen radio. This also supports Apple Carplay and Android Auto. I know that's a big deal for some folks, but you do have Bluetooth audio as well. And then you have a constant view of the rear view camera whenever you need it. So I know that's very helpful for some folks as well. Here's your cruise control button. This truck is equipped with cruise control. That is your heated mirrors. Oh, let me get this to focus. There we are. That's your heated mirrors button right there. You can also set the excuse me. You can also set the cruise control over here. All right. There we are. Nice focused camera. Who doesn't love it? Let's go ahead and check out that engine. Your engine's going to be a GM 6.6 liter V8. It is a gasoline engine. This is coupled with a shiftable automatic 6-speed transmission. Now, all the filters and fluids have been gone through on this truck and replaced if deemed necessary. We'll get you guys a good listen. All right, folks, that will wrap it up for today's 2023 Isuzu NPR-HD. Now, if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, make sure you head over to our website, which I will link in the description below, as well as our phone number for any specific questions you may have about this vehicle. All right, well, as always, thank you all very much for watching. Have a great one.